So this is the second problem in your practice problems, and we're talking about you challenging third-year students for a rematch of tug of war. We know that you pull, so each of you and the students, both sides are pulling at 250 newtons of force for about 2 minutes, and then you win. And you manage to displace them for about 4 meters. So I've done a little diagram here to kind of make it a little bit more visually appealing. So here in the blue, we have your force, right? Your force. And we know that that's your force, and this is the force that you're applying, okay? And then the students are going to be pulling on the other side, like to the opposite direction, and they're also going to be pulling with 250 newtons of force. And again, here it says on average, so it doesn't necessarily mean that, that force is constant. However, after 2 minutes of being pulling and, tugging, you manage to displace them for about 4 meters. And it takes you about 2 minutes to do so. So what do we want to do? So the first question, it's asking how much did it take to win? So we're talking about you. Okay, so how much did it take you to win? And because your force is going to the left and the displacement is also going to the left, all we have to do is multiply 250 U, 250 newtons times 4 meters. And that is equal to 1,000 joules. Okay, and it's positive. And that is because you're pulling to the left and the displacement is to the left. Okay, so we use this formula to calculate the work. So this is the answer for A. But then question B asks you, well, how much power did it take to win? So now what do we need to do? Remember, power is equal to work over time. So all we have to do is substitute the values. So we just calculate that it took 1,000 joules to win, and we have to divide that by time. Remember, this one is given in minutes, so we want to do seconds. So 120 seconds. And that comes up to be 28.3 watts. Okay. And I mean, we have positive work. This is always positive, so therefore the power is also positive. And that's your answer. So answer for A and answer for B.